Welcome to Audumbar classes. In today's video lecture, we will discuss moment generating function of normal distribution. But before that, like, share and subscribe the channel. Let's start with it. Here, density function of normal distribution is given. It is defined as 1 upon root 2 pi sigma e to the power minus half x minus mu upon sigma whole square. Here range of x is minus infinity to infinity, range of mu is minus infinity to infinity, and sigma is greater than 0, 0 otherwise. Okay, now here we want to find out moment generating function, and how we define moment generating function? It is mxt and it is defined as expectation of e to the power tx, right? Further we can write down this as integration. What is the range of x? Minus infinity to infinity e to the power tx fx dx, right? Now here density function is given. We will write down that here. So we will get integration minus infinity to infinity e to the power tx 1 upon root 2 pi sigma e to the power minus half x minus mu upon sigma whole square dx. Okay. Now here we will do substitution. Instead of x minus mu upon sigma, we will substitute here z. Okay. And this implies value of x will be what now? It is sigma z plus mu, right? And therefore dx equals to sigma dz. Mu is a constant, derivative of constant is 0. So now let's substitute all these terms here. Okay, but here 1 upon root 2 pi sigma is a constant, so that also we can take outside the integration. So let's do it. What we will get? mxt equals to 1 upon root 2 pi sigma integration minus infinity to infinity e to the power t. Now here e to the power tx is there. Instead of x, now what we are going to substitute? Sigma z plus mu into e to the power minus half z square, and now instead of dx we have to put sigma dz, so it will be sigma dz. This sigma will get cancelled. Let's take this t inside. So what we will get? 1 upon root 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity e to the power mu t plus sigma tz into e to the power minus half z square dz. Here e to the power mu t is a constant. We can take it outside the integration. So what we will get? E to the power mu t upon root 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity. Now we have e to the power sigma tz into e to the power minus half z square. So now from these two terms, let's take minus half common. So we will get e to the power minus half z square. Now here half is not there, so we have to multiply by 2. So we will get minus 2 sigma tz dz. Okay. Now here let's solve it further. We will get e to the power mu t upon root 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus half z square minus 2 sigma tz plus sigma square t square minus sigma square t square dz. Now here we have adjusted the term t sigma square t square. Why we are doing this? So just look at this term. We are getting here a perfect square. Z minus sigma t whole square. Okay. And that's why we are doing this adjustment. Also here this minus half minus sigma square t square. This is the another term. and these are the constant. Okay, so therefore we can take this term outside the integration. So we will get here e to the power mu t into e to the power sigma square t square by 2 upon root 2 pi integration e to the power minus half z minus sigma t whole square dz. Okay, now what is the value of this integration? It is root 2 pi. How we are getting here root 2 pi? So here this integration follows normal with mean sigma t and variance 1. So when we are getting it, so its value will be root 2 pi. So that's why we are getting here e to the power mu t into e to the power sigma square t square by root 2 pi into root 2 pi. Now this root 2 pi will get cancelled. So what we will get? E to the power mu t into e to the power sigma square t square by 2. So we can write down this as e to the power mu t plus half t square sigma square, and this is moment generating function of a normal distribution. Now we will find out moment generating function of a standard normal distribution. Now we want to find out moment generating function of a standard normal variate. First of all, how we define a standard normal variate? If x follows normal with mean mu and variance sigma square, then we define standard normal variate as a x minus mu by sigma. Okay. Now there is a simplest way how you can obtain it. First, already we have derived moment generating function of a normal distribution, and what it says, mxt equals to e to the power mu t plus half sigma square t square. Okay, and when we are saying it is a standard normal variate, that means we know x follows normal with mean 0 and variance 1, right? So here if you will put value of mu equals to 0 and sigma square equals to 1, so what you will get? E to the power 0. 0 is 1. So we will get e to the power just t square by 2, and this is moment generating function of a standard normal variate. Okay, this is how you can do. But if in the exam they ask you to derive it, then how to do that? So for that, let's see the derivation. Okay, so here we know that z is defined as x minus mu by sigma. So let's move ahead. We want to find out mzt. By definition, it is expectation of e to the power tz. Okay, let's put value of z here. So it is expectation of e to the power t x minus mu upon sigma. Okay, now here let's split this. So we will get expectation of e to the power tx by sigma into e to the power minus mu t by sigma. Now here we can see e to the power minus mu t by sigma is a constant. We can take it outside the expectation. So what we will get? E to the power minus mu t by sigma into expectation of e to the power x t by sigma. And here what we are observing? Expectation of e to the power tx means what? mxt, but here instead of t we have t by sigma. So same we can write down as e to the power minus mu t by sigma into mx t by sigma, and x follows normal with mean mu and variance sigma square, and we know that mxt is defined as e to the power mu t plus half t square sigma square. So now instead of t we have t by sigma. So let's put that. So what we will get? E to the power minus mu t by sigma into e to the power mu t. Mu t means instead of t we have t by sigma plus half t square. T square means t square by sigma square into sigma square, right? This sigma square will get cancelled. So what we will get? E to the power minus mu t into e to the power plus mu t will also get cancelled. So only term we have e to the power t square by 2, and this is our mzt, means moment generating function of a standard normal variate. For more videos, like, share and subscribe the channel.